Hi friends, want to make cool stuff? Welcome to Think and Tinker Studio. We're building robots, kitchen science, and epic crafts. Let's create, learn, and make a little mess. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a snowflake. First you want to make it into a square. If you have a rectangular piece of paper, you could just kind of do this and then cut off the extra part. But it's okay if you cut off a little bit of it. You just want to cut right next to it. And then after that, if there's a little bit down here, you can also cut that if you want. And now you can fold it like this and then crease down the edges. And now you can cut it into whichever shape you want. I think I'm going to do a diamond over here. And then if you want, you can also open the scraps to see what it would look like once you've opened your snowflake. And you can also do triangles down the side. I'm just gonna do 3 on each side. And then I'm gonna do the same for the other side. Now, since I've done that, I'm gonna add a little bit more detail to this by just making some cuts right like this. And then once you've done that, I'm going to add on a little bit more to this by doing this. And then if you do something like that, you can fold it like this so it's easier to cut. And then if you're done with your snowflake, you can unfold it and get a really pretty design. Probably something like this. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.